All right, today what I want to do is get rid of all these rubber intercooler pipes. I don't know if anyone else had this experience, but even the Evo that I had when it was brand new, under boost, basically all these clamps would loosen up and these pipes would just pop off. Once that happens, obviously that's metered air, so when that happens, basically the car just stalls out. If you're lucky, you're in the right lane and can get off onto the shoulder right away, but if you're not lucky, you're kind of stuck and you're trying to limp it to the shoulder. I've had this clamp over here pop off, the one that goes to the throttle body. I've had that one pop off numerous times, and every time that happened, I was afraid that I would actually lose the clamp somewhere on the road. So I ended up buying an entire DC Sports intake kit. So I'm going to start taking this apart and hopefully get that swapped out so that I can actually drive it and get into the boost a little bit. All right, so I finally got the intercooler kit installed. Anyone looking for intercooler piping, I would again say kind of avoid DC Sports. Their kit doesn't really necessarily fit all that well. There's no instructions. But anyways, while I did that, I also replaced the throttle position sensor. I'm not really sure exactly what's going on, but anytime I get into boost, the car just falls on its face. I got a feeling that the previous owner who said that there was a mail-in tune, I got a feeling that it's a bad tune. Like, it probably never ran right from the start. But anyways, it took me several hours. Unfortunately, with not having instructions, you had to kind of do a lot of guesswork. The piping seemed to fit all right, but the rubber couplings seemed like there was no instructions on which ones go to where, and some of them didn't seem to really look like they even fit. So every time I tried to install them, it seemed like I was trying to stretch them over larger diameter hoses, or in some cases there was extra pieces that I'm not even sure where those were supposed to go to. So anyways, still got to figure out what's going on with the boost. I did read before about idle surge and other issues that this car was having. That could be caused by vacuum leaks. So I don't know if maybe something like that is partially the reason. But anyways, keep on updating you. I'm not really sure what the next step I'm going to do will be, but as far as appearance goes, this car definitely needs a lot of work. But my idea was I'm going to worry about how to get it running right first, and then I'll start working on appearance later. So, we'll see what the next step is.